It's there.
Yeah.
Hi guys, here we are with what's your name?
Money.
Monique. This is the second Monique. The other Monique did run away earlier.
I make a
You know,
run too.
you run? You know what this is?
I'm not cracker. That's all.
Yeah. Okay. So you want the smart one uptown, you go downtown.
Downtown, deep downtown.
So how come me just know say this name Nutcracker and you know a long time? Where you plan for the holidays?
Not much, just spend it with the family.
Spend it with the family. What you generally do when you say spend it with the family? Just lay down and watch TV or what do you really do?
Cook.
Cook.
Cook. And then eat and laugh. And
So the
talk.
celebration is cooking, eating and laughing.
Right.
Oh, okay. Anyway, wish you all the best. But before, where you go cook? Give me an idea.
I have no idea yet.
No idea yet.
Depends on how the Christmas goes.
What do you expect from the end of the Christmas though? To change, to dictate what you're gonna
Anything
cook.
can happen, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Hope it's all good things happen for you, you and your family for the holidays.
Right.
Happy holidays. Ah, you feel the hug there? It's warm. But feel like one more.
Alright.
Go on, yeah. Enjoy your holidays.